What's going on, my print peeps? Thank you for checking back in. For those of you who are new, my name is Dave with DiverseCity Print. Real quick, we're doing some presses on, we got a couple of polyester shirts and one, I believe is Gildan cotton, heavy cotton. We're going to be doing a DTF press. It's got the white underbase on it. So real simple. We've already got a shirt set up. We got the shirt on the press. And let's flip you around quick. We usually put this on the shoulder about 7.5 inches down. All right, this is just a few print run. We're gonna go what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches down from the collar up here. We'll center it and we'll press them. So anyway, this is polyester, 15 seconds to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to take it off and repress it for another 10 seconds. All right, so I'm going to push this up, and then we'll use our Teflon. All right, we'll roll it on there. Take it up, take it away. All right, and we'll let this cool, and we'll do the other ones, and we'll come back. Actually, this is polyester. It'll probably cool pretty quick. It's cold in Texas today. And that's it. Came off nice and beautiful as always. Put our Teflon back on, just for protection. And we'll press it for another 10 seconds. Okay? 10 seconds. All right. There it goes. Nice logo. Can't even feel that mug. That's it. Let's get to the other two and let's get them onto their happy home. Another polyester. We're going to go down 6 inches. Now, it just depends. These are very small shirts. So you might go 6 or 7 inches or like on like 2X, 3X. It just depends on the size. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you decide where you want to go from there. I've been doing these for a while so I can do them by hand. Instead of using all those tools, I really don't use those tools. Teflon. Press it down for 15 seconds. Pick it up. Take off the Teflon. I might use it as a warming blanket. Chilly willy up in here. All right, so we just let it cool off a little bit. It'll cool pretty quick. Boom. Came off, all of it. Got nothing back on there. Gonna put that back. Put our Teflon for a little protection of the polyester. And we'll press it for 10 seconds. All right. There we go. Got a nice SunRun shirt. Looks good on all colors. Nice feel. Can't even feel it. It's like water based. All right, the next one we're gonna do is a Gildan. And that brand, man, I think these are customer supplied. Of course, you gotta let them know all the drawbacks and everything. This is what that was. La Viva. And this is a Gildan heavy cotton. Now this is a little bit larger. We may have to go a little bit deeper on the placement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks good to me. All right, so let's turn it around. That's how it looks. Kind of sharp. It's kind of hard to show you on video of how it looks. But anyway, just line it up. Boom. Like that. I lint rolled it prior. Make sure you lint roll. As you can see, all that smoke came up. And I had pre-pressed it yesterday in just one day. I didn't think it was going to give that much humidity. Of course, it was all wrinkled because I just threw it in the bag. I should have pre-pressed it right now, but it's all good. These are just temporary shirts. Boom. All came off. Nothing left behind. I'm going to put this back on here. Do another 10 seconds. Real quick, real quick. And then we'll just try and show you all of them in the light. All right. Turn that off. Remove the Teflon. So here's one of them. Right here. When you look down, if you can't see the top of the design, you've gone way too high. Like, you should be able to look down with your eyes, and in your peripheral, you should be able to see the top of that design and a little bit of the shirt color. If you don't see the top of the design, you've gone like way too far up. So, I mean, unless you intended it to be that way. But anyway, that's that one right there. This is this one right here. I like this one. This looks nice. These colors go together like that. Boom. Look pretty good as well. All right. Cool. So anyway, that is a very, I don't know if you can get any close up, but you can see the texture of the shirt right under it. Very soft. You can't even feel it. It feels like the shirt. So anyway, hit up my boy, or hit up my dude. I ain't gonna call him a boy, but hit up my dude. Cartel Prince on Instagram. I'll put his link down below. He does good DTFs. He'll get them to you pretty quick and very nice. I've never had issues with that dude. He's precise. He knows what he's doing. He's putting back into his business and getting more equipment and upgrading and doing all the necessary things you got to do as a small business to stay on top. He's doing it. So big shout out to Cartel Prince for hooking it up. Hope this video was entertaining, if not helpful. And we'll catch you on the next one. And until then, hope you're having a good day printing. Peace.